Love is an emotion which experienced well by somebody who has no inhibitions and suppressions and obsessions and compulsions. Love is a pure energy. It just flows. It's very hard to stop its flow. Love is natural for a being. A being is full of love. It is source of abundance, and it just increases manifold when it is in its purest form. When a being changes its form and becomes human being, and a human being takes the form or shape of the body one he is in, so a body becomes a physical object, and a physical object occupies some space. So two physical objects, they occupy space, but they cannot occupy the same space. So as a result, when we are human beings, we are separated from each other because of the physical nature of our existence. But when we go in the realm of love, so that physical space starts disappearing, and love brings us closer, and love brings us in the field of oneness, where we belong to each other, where we merge with each other, where we are like bubbles in the ocean. We are indistinguishable. We just look alike. That is the nature of love. But in the human world, because we are separated by the physical appearance, so this distance keep on increasing between two physical bodies, depending upon the disagreements. And this distance decreases depending on their agreements. So love depends a lot whether two bodies or human beings, they have more agreements or less agreements. So the energy of love is healing energy. This is the real energy. That is who we are. Moment we get in the band of disagreeing, arguing, or getting in debate, discussion, putting across our own point of view at the cost of other person's point of view, our pure energy dilutes. Our love decreases. And we want to be away from each other. This separateness keeps on increasing to the point that it changes its form into hatred. Hatred is just another form of love. So this idea of having more love or close proximity can be an immortal idea, because once we are out of the body, we are all in a non-physical realm, being one with each other. So when we are existing in the physical realm, it is extremely important for us to have more agreements, acknowledgements, admirations for each other. That increases the love between us. Love in groups, love between parents and children, love between couples, love between the spouses. So consider this idea of having more agreements rather than disagreements to experience the pure energy of love. Thank you very much.